Hello friends, how are all of you? You know about the respiratory system in animals and human beings. Do plants also breathe like the other living organisms? In Chapter 1, Nutrition in Plants, you have learnt about photosynthesis. Green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. This is known as photosynthesis. Let us find out the process of respiration in plants. The objective of this video is 1. To understand the process of respiration in plants and trees. 2. To understand that leaves and roots of plants respire separately.
Can we sleep under the tree tonight?
Rani, Dadaji tells us not to sleep under a tree during the night.
Why is it so, Didi? Is it because there will be a lot of mosquitoes?
No, silly. Alright, tell me, which important function do the trees carry out in the presence of sunlight?
Photosynthesis?
Correct answer. What is photosynthesis?
Plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen.
Yes, but the sun is not there during the night. So, plants do not perform photosynthesis, but they breathe.
Yes, Didi.
Trees and plants do not perform photosynthesis at night. That is why the amount of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, and if we sleep under the tree, then we could breathe in more carbon dioxide.
Didi, but these plants do not have a nose. Where do they breathe from?
Come here, let me pull your nose. Which part of the plant does photosynthesis?
Green leaves have chlorophyll, and there are small openings on leaves known as stomata. This is the center for exchange of gases on the leaf.
Yes, correct. So plants and trees breathe through the help of stomata.
When we breathe, our chest goes up and down due to regular breathing, but we cannot see any such things in plants. Then how can we say that they breathe?
Come, Rani, let us do an experiment.
What kind of an experiment?
Let us do this experiment, and in the end, you tell me what you observed. You go and pluck 2 fresh leaves from a tree. Till then, I shall fill a glass bowl with lukewarm water. Now immerse these leaves in the water. Now let us keep this bowl in the sunlight and wait for a few hours.
What is going to happen, Didi? I am getting very excited.
Wait for some time.
After a few hours.
It is almost 2 hours now. Let us go outside and check.
Come. Now observe carefully and tell me what you see.
Didi, I see a few air bubbles here.
Yes, this means that the plants also breathe. These air bubbles are of oxygen. The leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air and released oxygen.
This is like magic. We are able to observe through this experiment what we are not able to observe otherwise. Plants also respire.
Friends, you should also try this experiment.
So is it that, like our lungs are the most important part of our respiratory system, the leaves are the plants?
Rani, in plants the leaves, stems, flowers and even the roots help in breathing.
Roots? How can they help? They are deep in the ground where there is no air.
Rani, roots take in the air that is trapped between the soil.
Oh, is it another magic?
Do you remember a few days back father had planted a few flowering plants?
Yes, Didi, I remember. One of those plants had died. I had given it a lot of water.
Yes, but do you know why? Go and get a mug full of water from inside. Now put this water in the soil.
Didi, the soil is wet now.
Yes, Rani. Look, if we add a lot of water in the soil, it becomes wet. The air pockets in the soil get filled with water and therefore the roots cannot take in any air.
Oh, and because they cannot breathe, they slowly die.
Yes, Rani.
Now I will be very careful when I water the plants.
So friends, plants also breathe like us. They are so important for our existence. We should try and plant many trees. Friends, will you begin with a tree plantation drive in your area?